Thank you everyone for joining this webinar. It's about digitalizing, saving costs with PDF, e-signature, and artificial intelligence. So just to introduce myself, I'm François Thévenot. I work for Foxit Software as a channel and sales manager for Southern Europe and Middle East. And Ufuk, are you with us? Ufuk? Hello? Ufuk, you should be, you might be on mute. Up, Ufuk, are you with me? You can talk now. We have a little technical issue. Okay, so Ufuk will introduce himself when his microphone will work. So today's program, we'll talk a little bit about RenovaBT. If Ufuk can unmute his microphone, then Foxit Software will give you an overview of who we are. I will talk about the software that we sell, and then I will show you our products. So first, let me tell you about RenovaBT, as Ufuk is not cannot unmute himself. So Renova.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming. If you want, I can introduce myself and my company by Turkish. I mean, majority of the people are joining are Turks, you know.
Yes. So Ufuk, if you can introduce RenovaBT.
Okay. Arkadaşlar merhaba. Öncelikle bu zor dönemde hakikaten hani senenin sonu hepimizin vakti son derece kısıtlı. Dolayısıyla bugünkü event'e katıldığınız için hepinize çok çok teşekkür ediyorum. Kısaca şöyle bir hem kendime hem firmayla ilgili bilgi aktarmak istiyorum size. Çok da fazla sizleri sıkmadan. Tanıyan arkadaşlarımız vardır mutlaka. Tanımayan arkadaşlar için benim sektörde bu sene 30. senem. 30 seneden beri sektöre sizler gibi hizmet vermeye çalışıyorum. Genellikle kanalla çalışan firmalarda çalıştım ve 2018'den beri de kurmuş olduğumuz RenovaBT firmamız çatısı altında katıksız bir yazılım distribütörü, yazılım dağıtıcısı olarak çalışıyoruz. Bu segmentte faaliyet gösteriyoruz. Genelde ürünlerimiz butik ürünler, yani herkesin satmadığı ürünler. Dolayısıyla o anlamda aslında kanaldaki arkadaşlarımıza müşteri tarafında ayrı bir ses yapabilmelerini sağlayan üreticilerimiz var. Bu anlamda da beraber çalıştığımız arkadaşlar biliyor olacaklar. Umarım çalışmayan arkadaşlarla da bugünkü webinar ertesinde çalışma fırsatı buluyor oluruz. Birbirimize değer kattığımız hem üretici anlamında hem karlılık anlamında hem alternatif ürün anlamında hem de gene biraz önce söylemiş olduğum gibi müşteri tarafında ayrı bir sesi masaya koyma anlamında sizlerin elini kuvvetlendirmeyi amaçlıyoruz. Bugünkü toplantımızda Güney Avrupa ve bizim de içinde bulunduğumuz EMEA bölgesinden sorumlu arkadaşımız Franchois kanal müdürümüz sunumu yapıyor. Ben de sizlere arka planda destek oluyor olacağım. Foxit biliyorsunuz önemli bir PDF üreticisi. Hani Türkiye'de bu anlamda çok büyük bir talep var. O taraftaki büyük bir talebi tabii değerli rakibimiz Adobe dolduruyor ama bizim de burada bilinirliğimizi artırarak rekabet içerisinde her anlamda olduğumuzu anlatmamıza yarayacak bir webinar aslında. Diğer tarafta da RenovaBT'nin çatısı altında gene başka webinarlarda, başka ürünlerde buluşabiliriz inşallah. Orada da gene kıymetli üreticilerimizle size değer katmak, müşterilerinize değer katmak önceliğimiz. Ben teşekkür ediyorum. Tekrar sözü Franchois'e bırakmadan önce hepinize katılımlarınız için. Franchois, thanks my friend. I mean, I just have been introduced in brief what we are doing in RenovaBT. Some of the participants sure already know us, but some of them not. So thanks for preparing today's meeting. You can go on, my friend.
Okay, thank you very much, Ufuk. So now let's talk about Foxit Software. Foxit Software, we are a global leader in PDF and electronic signature. We have nearly 500,000 customers all around the world from all sizes, so from small, medium business to global companies. And many people don't know it, but you might use Foxit every day of your life. If you open a PDF in Google Chrome, then you are using Foxit because Google uses Foxit technology. If you read on a Kindle from Amazon, you are using Foxit as well, because Amazon integrates the Foxit PDF into the Kindle. Foxit is a very fast-growing company. We have 110 million US dollars of revenue. Well, we've been growing 43% per year since 10 years now. And we are nearly 1,000 employees, 70 people in Europe, Middle East, Asia, plus 50 people in the past 3 years. And you can see the lovely Foxit EMEA team on the bottom right corner. You see that Foxit is customer approved. We have a lot of reports that show our customer satisfaction, official and independent reports. 97% of our customers are satisfied with Foxit, a lot higher than the software industry. We have a net promoter score, which is 42. It means that 42% of our customers come from Foxit customers. So we are recommended by our customers. Why? Because our product is very easy to use, is very complete, but also because we have a very good support, we are easy to do business with, we are very flexible, and very easy to administrate. But I will show that to you in a few minutes. Two main products sold by Foxit, PDF Editor and Foxit eSign. PDF Editor, as you can see at the bottom, is an alternative to Adobe. We have 100% of Adobe's capabilities at half the price. Same goes for eSign. We are an alternative to Adobe Sign, to DocuSign, and we cover nearly everything that they do, still at half the price. When I say that Foxit PDF Editor covers 100% of Adobe's capabilities, I talk about features. I will come back to the features, but also to compatibility. You can see at the bottom right corner some logos that you know. We can adapt to any environment. If you or your customers work with Windows, we have an app for Windows, a desktop app. Same goes for Mac. We also have apps for iOS, for Android, whether it's tablets or phones. And we also have a version that you can access with a web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, and Google Chrome. Feature-wise, here you can see what the daily users use every day. So these are the main functionalities used on a daily usage. But we cover a lot more than that. We have over 1,000 features for the editor. But people every day will edit content and the layout of a document, create PDF and forms, drag and drop pages between files, so reorganize a document. People will scan all the paper to digital, then they will do an OCR, optical character recognition, in order to modify the document. Export to Office, so to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and any other file format. Share, collaborate, protect the documents. Something very important, the third point of covering 100% of Adobe's capabilities is the deep Microsoft integration. when you use a Windows computer, you can do a right click, for example, and convert to PDF. We also integrate within Office. So when you install Foxit PDF editor, you have an Office plugin that allows to use some PDF functionalities within Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and so on. Same goes for Google. Foxit Sign. Foxit Sign is, most of you must know DocuSign or Adobe Sign. Foxit Sign is a web platform for legally binding e-signatures. I explain myself. Legally binding signatures are signatures that have a legal value in case of a lawsuit. So how do we do that? When the document is signed, we not only protect the document, it cannot be modified anymore, but we also deliver a signature certificate. So this platform comes as a standalone platform. You can use only Foxit Sign, but we also integrate within Foxit PDF editor, and you can use it as a bundle. So here a customer can buy our subscription and have Foxit eSign and PDF editor in the same subscription. On the platform, you can prepare any document. These documents, you will send them from anywhere, as long as you have a laptop or a mobile. You can create signature workflows. So if you have to send a document with multiple people who need to sign, you can integrate all these people in a workflow. They can sign from anywhere, and then we can store the documents in a secure environment. Right now, we store documents in AWS based in Frankfurt. You can share the document, templates, and so on. Something very important as well are the APIs. So we have ready-to-use connectors for Salesforce, for OneDrive, SharePoint, Google, SAP. But most of our customers, they have other apps. For example, PeopleDoc for human resource. So they can use our APIs to connect to their apps. I was talking about bundles, about a suite. So Foxit sells all their products in the same subscription. I explain myself. We have two versions of PDF editor. We have a standard version and a pro version. Each comes with all of the products. So when you take the subscription, you can have Foxit PDF editor desktop and cloud. So the editor that you can access with your web browser as well. An admin console where you can manage your licenses, you can add or remove users, connect to your Active Directory, create groups, create rules, add or remove plugins, and so on. ChatGPT that we now integrate within Foxit PDF editor. If you take the standard version of the PDF editor, you will have eSign Standard. If you take the Pro version, you will have eSign Pro. The APIs to connect to your existing applications, a mobile and tablet version, and our enterprise content management system where you can store documents online. So all of this comes with the same suite. Finally, why end customers choose Foxit? First, it's for purchasing. First, it's a matter of price. Most of the customers pay too much for Adobe, so they want to reduce their IT costs. So they come and talk to Foxit because we are at half the price. Also, we offer two kinds of procurement ways. First is subscription. You can buy a subscription for 1 year, for multiple years, or you can buy a perpetual license. So you will own the license forever, and you can buy maintenance, annual maintenance if you want to have support and upgrades. For IT departments, we offer a 24/7 support without waiting. When I say without waiting, I mean that we will answer within 2 hours to any email, either with a solution to your problem, or we will send you a Teams meeting invitation so we can solve your problem online together. I already mentioned the admin console that is very handy for the IT department. And finally, for the end users, the product looks like Microsoft Office. It's very easy to understand, and we cover 100% of the features. So now let me show you the product. So you see, here I'm on Foxit PDF editor. First thing I want to show you is the integrations. So when you deploy Foxit PDF editor, you can add or remove the enterprise content management system that your company is using. If you are using SharePoint and OneDrive, you will only find SharePoint and OneDrive here and the folders that are accessible to your users. Same goes for Google Drive and so on. You can also look for documents on your device. Then the interface is pretty straightforward. You have the functionality tabs. So all the functionalities are grouped by family. So you have the conversion, the edition, organization, comment, and so on. The Home tab gathers all the most popular functionalities. So the functionalities that most of our users use daily, you can find them here. Let me show you how easy it is to use it now. So you will see, you can convert any document. So to convert, I can look in my laptop. I can browse my files in my laptop. I can look from a scanner, clipboard, a web page, and so on. But now, as we are in the 21st century, people don't do that much. They do a drag and drop. And with a simple drag and drop, I can convert a Word document into a PDF document. Same goes for Excel, same goes for images, and so on. Then these documents, you can also convert them from PDF into Microsoft Office. So if I want to convert this document into Word, into Excel, XML, PowerPoint, an image, HTML, everything is possible in terms of conversion. We also have a very important feature is recognize text. So if you scan a document, the document is an image. If you want to modify this image, if you want to tell Foxit PDF editor, this is actually text, you will have to run an OCR, and then you will be able to modify the text. Then you can edit your text. So here, you see, it's a PDF. No, normally, you cannot edit a PDF unless you have a PDF editor. So here I can remove text, add it again. I can add the text if I want from the existing, or just I will write my name here. And you also have a text editor where you can choose the font, when you can put in bold, center, and so on. So if you know Microsoft Word, you are totally able to use Foxit PDF editor. You can add images, you can add shapes, you can check the spelling. So you have everything you need here to edit any part of the document. I showed text, but you can also do the same for images. If I want to remove an image, I can move it, and so on. Then most companies, they want to reorganize their documents. I will take the example of a legal department. The legal department, they will say, okay, I need to insert another contract in my existing contract, so I will take a document. I will put it at the end of the document. And here I go. I can very easily insert document, reorganize, rotate a page if needed, eliminate, etc. Then you can delete the pages with a right click, duplicate, move pages, split the document. So you can manipulate and reorganize your document just as you want. You can also, when you will work on your document, I work on a very confidential document, so I can add a watermark, for example, saying confidential. I want this to be a bit darker, maybe make it cover the document. And now you can see that I have my watermark added in my document. Most of our customers as well use the highlight functionality to review documents. So here I have all these parts that I want to highlight. I will send it to my colleague and say, okay, please review this part. I send this document to my colleague who will review it and just reply, okay, it's done now. Then when the document is finished, you can say, okay, approved. And you see a dynamic timestamp with my name, the time, and the date. So it's it's the American format, but we are the 7th of December. I will remove everything so it's clearer for the rest of the demonstration. You can change the way you behave with document. You can put night mode, dark, change the color of the background. You can measure things on the document. So if you have, for example, architecture plans, you can measure, you can compare documents. So it's very important if you have two contracts that you want to compare, for example, you can do it, count the words, etc. Something else that is very important for our customers are the forms. So you see here, I have a form in a Word format. If I want to type anything on the form, it's not gonna be perfect. You see, the things don't really match. So here with Foxit, we have a run form field recognition. So the software will automatically recognize the form field. Here I can put my information. I can click where it needs to be clicked. We even recognize the signature field. I can add a signature here. You can do it like that, or you can, if you want to create a form, you can also create a form from scratch, and then you see I can manage my form. Something very important as well is the protection of a document. Most of our customers, they want to protect their content and documents, so you can protect at a few levels. I want to protect some parts of my document. So here I will mark for redaction, and I can, sorry for that. Okay, and now I can blackline some part of my document. So when I will save my document, this won't show anymore. I can also do it with a whiteout. So here, you don't even see that I hid part of my document. When I talk about protecting data, you can also secure the whole document. With the password, I can add add a password here. I can encrypt my documents. So we have a lot of different options to protect the documents. can share my document, share to a colleague, send for email review, send for shared review, and so on. Something else now, before jumping into the cloud version, is that we have Foxit eSign integrated. So here I can either put my signature here, and when I will save my document won't be able to be modified anymore. If I save this document with my official Foxit eSign signature, I can also start a signature workflow. Sorry, I need to remove my signature. Okay. Okay, I will save this document, and it will start a signature workflow. So form, and with this platform, I will be able to start my signature workflow. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow, but I will show you eSign in a few seconds. Oh, let's go to the cloud version first. So I was saying that you can store your documents online. So you can open a file. Sorry, you can open file from the cloud documents. So here, what I'm showing you is that I can share this document with one of my colleagues, and we can collaborate online at the same time on these documents. Once again, these documents are stored on AWS, so Amazon Web Service, in Frankfurt. So it's a totally secure environment that respects GDPR as well. Here you see I can do everything. I can do the same things as with the desktop version, and I can use my AI assistant that is not working. Okay, so guess that's the demo effect. Okay, I might come back on the demo assistant a bit later, but it was to show you the online version of our product. So the editor is online with Foxit eSign and with all the functionalities that you can find on the desktop version. Now I would like to show you Foxit eSign. So you see here, I'm on Foxit eSign. So once again, you can use Foxit eSign integrated in the PDF editor. I can start my workflow here, or you can use the web platform as a standalone product. Here you see that I'm on the home screen. I have 3 documents waiting for my signatures, 5 documents waiting for someone else's signatures, some drafts, and completed documents. When I click on completed documents, you can see that I have a lot of documents that I have signed, me and multiple parties. And these documents, I can download them and see the metadata attached to the documents. You can see that I have templates. So my company can create templates, and these templates, they will be able to be shared, to be used and reused. So for example, here I have a template that was already created and that I can reuse. But let's go back to the workflow. Here I will upload a file. I will upload this file. And here I can add more than one document. This is called an envelope. So just a normal envelope, a physical envelope, you can add as many documents as you want. In our case, it's up to 30 megabytes of documents. So if I want to add a second document, I just have to add it, and then I will start my workflow. Here, you see, you can authenticate the signature with a SMS, so a text message, with a two-factor authentication by email, by mobile, and so on. I will send myself the document because it's easier for a demo. And you can see that I can fill the fields and sign. I can just fill the fields, be only in a CC, so in view, and so on. Save and next. Now I can add text fields. Oh, sorry, here it's the signer email. I can add a date that will be filled automatically, and the signature itself. But you can add a lot of buttons and you have a lot of options. If there were two people signing, I could have chosen another person that would be here. I will now send my document, and you see the person will receive now an email. I can use email templates, just like the documents. You can create ready-to-use templates. Or you can also customize please sign this document. Up. Now, since I sent the document to myself, now I can sign it from here, but I want to show you up that I've received this email. I will click on view document, and now I can fill the document. You see that the date is automatically added. I put a signature. I finish my workflow. Okay, my document is signed with a signer ID, with a date, with a signature certificate, and the signature certificate gives all the metadata of this document. So we're the 7th of December. Since it's a US demo platform, this is a US time, but you can set it up to Turkish time. And now I can use this document anytime I need it. So my document now is here. You can see the document was signed the 7th of December. So that's it for Foxit eSign. We have APIs, we can connect. So no, that's not totally it. But if instead of keeping your documents on Foxit storage, you can, for example, send them to your OneDrive, to your SharePoint, or any enterprise content management system that you might use. And you see here, since I've signed the document, I receive a notification saying document completed, and so on. Last thing I want to show today is the admin console. So I will have to re-log in with another email address. So when you use Foxit, you might use Foxit PDF Editor, Standard, Pro, you might have Foxit eSign. So here you will administrate your products. So you see here we have Foxit PDF Editor Pro for Windows, Foxit PDF Editor Cloud, and so on. So here you can see all your Foxit products and you will very easily manage your users. So here I will go to invited users. I can invite a user individually, and I will assign a license of Foxit PDF Editor Cloud, for example. Very easy. You can do it with a CSV, or you can also do it by adding your Active Directory. So you can connect your Active Directory to the admin console, so people can log in with the SSO. So it's easier for you to manage your user groups, and it's easier for the users to connect with the SSO. We also have some interesting functionalities when you want to optimize your number of users. For example, we have a functionality that says if a user doesn't use his license for a certain number of days, here in this case it's 90, but we can say 120 days, you will revoke the user, so you can give the PDF editor to someone who really needs to use the product. To finish with this, you can also create reports. Here it's a demo platform, so we don't have a lot of users, but you can say, okay, I want to see my number of users per product, per type. Like here, it's a Foxit PDF editor Pro Windows. Here I have another product. I have the cloud version. So you can create statistics and reports to see if the product is being used. That's it for me for today. Now we still have plenty of time, more than 20 minutes for questions and answers. So if anyone has a question, please don't hesitate. Otherwise, we will finish early and you will have saved 20 minutes of your time.
Thanks a lot, Francois. Let me give a brief information a little bit in Turkish again to my customers and resellers. Arkadaşlar, tekrar hepinize çok teşekkürler. Aslında bugünkü sunumda hani değerli arkadaşımız Francois'in de anlatmaya çalıştığı gibi Foxit PDF dünyasının farklı üreticilerinden bir tanesi aslında. Hani ülkemizde bu çerçevede o kadar tanınmamış olmasına rağmen biz de onu arttırmaya gayret gösteriyoruz aslında bu çabalarımızla. Çözüm kümesinde PDF'ten başka hiçbir ürün bulunmayan ve bu konuda gerçekten çok derin Ar-Ge çalışmaları yapıp ürünü en üst seviyeye çıkarmaya çalışan önemli bir üretici. Globalde baktığınız zaman müşteri sayısında ve ciroda aslında rakibin çok üzerinde. Fakat tabii değerli rakibin farklı segmentlerde de ürünü olduğu için hani o taraftaki ürünü zaten son derece başarılı da olan PDF ürünüyle birleştirilmesiyle beraber bütün dünyada daha fazla bilinirliğine sahip bir üretici ama bu tarafta Foxit de yapmış olduğu son dönemki özellikle çalışmalarla EMEA bölgesine çok yoğun bir gayretle girdiler. Şu an 50'nin üzerinde işte Francois'in de içinde bulunduğu çalışan EMEA bölgesi, yani bizim de içinde bulunduğumuz bölgeyi destekliyor ve her geçen gün biraz daha Türkiye'de önemli müşterilerle buluşmaya devam ediyor. Arkadaşımın da anlatmış olduğu gibi teknik anlamda aslında birçok özelliği rakipten çok daha fazla üstün ve geniş ürünün. Tabii kanala çok önem veren bir firma. Kanalı sürekli büyütmeye çalışan bir firma. O anlamda da bizim tabii ciddi çalışmalarımız var kanalı destekleme anlamında. Hani biz firma olarak da herkesin sattığı ürünleri ithal eden bir firma değiliz. Daha çok böyle butik çalışan, kendi konularında uzman ve derinlemesine teknik ekspertiz geliştiren firmalarla çalışıyoruz. O nedenle de kanalı bu anlamda çok destekliyoruz. Yani eğer Foxit ürünlerinizi müşterilerinizle buluşturur ve o anlamda bir gayret gösterirseniz biz de arka tarafta sizleri her anlamda destekliyor olacağız. Önemlikle hani rakip üründeki hani karlılığın düşük olması, işte rejistrasyon problemleri, o tarz şeyler bizde yok. Çünkü biz hani kimin nerede ne şekilde çalıştığını üründe biliyoruz. Sadece Foxit'te değil, diğer sattığımız bütün ürünlerde de benzer politikaları uyguluyoruz. Dolayısıyla bir end user'da çalışan bayimizi sonuna kadar koruyoruz. Gerekirse hani çalışan kimse onun dışındaki iş ortaklarına fiyat açmıyoruz. İşte ihale olmaması durumunda bu sorunsuz bir şekilde devam ediyor bizim tarafta. Çünkü hani bizden başka kimse olmadığı için kimin ne yapıp ne yapmadığını biz çok net bir şekilde biliyoruz yani. İhale olmasında durumunda bile hani ihale üzerinde kalan ve fiyat vermek durumunda kaldığımız durumlar olabiliyor ve bu durumda da gene işi kovalayan ve o anlamda işte şartname yazdıran, ürünü gidip müşterisine anlatan, hani dil döken bir şekilde işin içerisine çabasını koruyan arkadaşımız da ihaleyi almasa bile belirli bir miktar komisyon faturası karşılığında o göstermiş olduğu çabayı ödüllendirmeye çalışıyoruz. Burada bizim tabii fiyat anlamında rakipten daha iyi olmamız, hala kalıcı lisans satıyor olmamız, bunlar aslında çok önemli üreticiler. Hani ben bütün kariyerim boyunca binin üzerinde yazılım ithal edip satmış bir kişi olarak şu anda çok az bir miktar üreticide hala bizim perpetual dediğimiz kalıcı lisansların kalmış olması ve bunlardan bir tanesinin de Foxit oluyor olması gerçekten çok önemli. Yani iyi bir avantaj. Abonelik tipi lisansımız da var, kalıcı lisansımız da var. Fiyatlar iyi, ürün hani bu bir saatte anlatılacak çerçevede bile hani franchise'in göstermiş olduğu şekle bakarsanız gerçekten çok yetkin. Yani bir PDF ürününden, standart bir kullanıcısından en üst düzey enterprise bir kullanıcıya kadar hitap eden çok derinlemesine gerçekten özellikleri var. Sanki bir imaj editörü gibi imajla oynayabiliyor. İşte OCR yapabiliyor. Her türlü redaksiyon işlemlerini yapabiliyorsunuz. Hani bir PDF dokümanı üzerinde alabileceğiniz teknik anlamdaki bütün aksiyonları çok hızlı, net ve kolay bir şekilde yapabileceğiniz bir ürün. Tamamen Microsoft ürünleriyle aynı mentalitede geliştirilmiş olduğu için hani Microsoft ürünlerine hakim, yetkin insanların çok çok kolaylıkla adapte olabileceği bir ürün aslında. O anlamda hani çoğunuz Adobe ürünlerini de satıyorsunuz. Rakibi de biliyorsunuz. Eğer varsa o anlamda hani bizlerden beklentileriniz, hani Foxit satmakla ilgili bir çaba göstermek için ne bekliyorsunuz? Neleri bizden istiyorsunuz? Varsa bu tarz talepleriniz, sorularınız bize lütfen iletin. O anlamda Foxit kanalı çok iyi dinleyen bir üretici. Kanaldan gelen feedbackleri her zaman değerlendiren ve bunu hem satış hem teknik politikalarında hızlı bir şekilde implemente eden bir üretici. Dolayısıyla o anlamda da Foxit'le çalışmak aslında kolay. Oradaki üreticideki arkadaşlara erişimimizde hiçbir problem yok. Yani diğer üreticilerde olduğu gibi çok hızlı bir şekilde aksiyon alabiliyoruz. Gerek telefonla, gerek e-maille, gerek WhatsApp'la ilgili insanlara hemen ulaşabiliyoruz. Onlar da gerçekten özellikle Türkiye pazarını çok önemsiyorlar ve bu taraftaki bütün gelişmelere en yetkin bir şekilde destek vermek için çaba sarf ediyorlar. Umarım bu webinar hepiniz için iyi olmuştur, güzel gelmiştir. Tekrar ben çok çok teşekkür ediyorum değerli vakitleriniz için senin sonunda. Varsa sorularınız alalım. Eğer İngilizce sorabilenler varsa sorabilirler. Yoksa ben hani Türkçe soruları alıp arkadaşlara çevirip cevapları hani benim bilmediğim bir şey olursa almaya çalışayım. Çok çok teşekkürler arkadaşlar. So franchise a little bit brief conversation with the audience, and let us wait for some couple of questions if they have any, and if not, we will gonna finish the webinar. Hello?
Yeah, so there is a comment from Ertan Ufuk. I don't know if you can understand in the chat. If you can read it and tell me what the question is, because it's in Turkish.
Sure. Foxit bizim kullanıcı tamam. Ertan says that I mean he loves Foxit as a product, and he has been installed Foxit reader to all of the users. So we thanks a lot to Ertan for his nice words about the product. Thank you very much.
Okay. So
Serkan says thank you. So franchise, it's time for you to learn a little bit Turkish. Teşekkürler.
Yes.
Thank you in Turkish. So Serkan, biz de sana çok teşekkür ederiz değerli katılımların için. Dostum sevgiler diliyorum.